Christina Heidick with PTO Answers, and today I want to talk to you about why it's really important to have a monthly treasurer's report. Now you might think, well, maybe this isn't really something that's necessary, Christina. Everybody knows what's going on, or they don't need to know what's going on with PTA funds or PTO funds. Let me just tell you, they absolutely do. If you are not producing these monthly financial reports, then you're not really being as transparent as you need to be. And when people aren't transparent, guess what? They think you're up to something. Usually something no good. And that is more than likely not the case. So you need to be transparent for that reason alone. Another reason why you need to be transparent is that more people will support your group in fundraising and financially if they understand where the money is going. If by chance your group is raising tens upon tens of thousands of dollars every year, but you're only spending $5,000, well, people might be like, that group does not need my money because they are not even spending the money I gave them last year or last month or whatever. So that's another really good reason to be transparent, because people can actually see, oh, this is how much we're spending on family events. And this is how much we're giving to kids who are going to school who need scholarships. And this is how much we're spending on teacher appreciation. All really good ideas. If they value those things, then you can point to those line items especially and say, hey, if you like teacher appreciation, if you think we should go out of our way to do something nice for the teachers, to thank them for all they do, we need your involvement in the fundraiser. We need your support on this one. The other thing is that it can really dispel clicks. So transparency can dispel clicks because there will be nothing for people to complain about. They'll be able to see the information. They won't be able to say, Susie's hiding XYZ, or none of that baloney can start, because you can simply pull out the treasurer's report and show whoever is complaining, let's call her Complaining Carrie, can show Complaining Carrie, hey, I don't know what you're talking about, but Susie is not hiding anything. Here is all of the information. Carrie will have to shut her mouth, which is what you ultimately want anyway, right? Other part about making sure that you are producing monthly treasurer's reports, except for during the summer when your PTO is on break, by all means, take this summer off. Have a year-end report that sums it all up nicely and gets it ready to give to the next treasurer who's coming in to fill your spot. But you are so not official unless you are having these monthly treasurer reports, because you as a nonprofit need to be showing where the money is coming in and where the money is going out. And you just need to be above board about all of that goodness. So don't think you can skip this step. It's really important. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. I mean, making the monthly treasurer's report. I have another video that I will link to below, so you can go ahead and check that out. So make sure to do that. The very last reason why you should be doing a monthly treasurer's report is that it decreases the likelihood for embezzlement. Okay, so I've totally talked to you about keeping your group protected from bad actors who want to take your hard-earned money. This is another step towards that goal. Okay, so if you're producing monthly treasurer's reports, or if you're having the treasurer produce these monthly treasurer reports, then you can see where the money is going. You can see if it is not adding up. So one indication of embezzlement is sometimes what, like I talked about earlier, is the lack of transparency, where people can suddenly not produce a treasurer's report or don't have that information. That always, always, always raises a red flag for me. Even if they are not stealing from the group, it's still kind of crazy, because that is an expectation that they are doing the treasurer's reports, and so making the information readily available. So if your treasurer is kind of hesitant to give up this information, you need to get on the phone with her stat and figure out why that is. So there you go. There are 3 or maybe even 4 really great reasons why you need to be putting together a monthly treasurer's report for your PTO. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to this channel or given the page that you're watching this on a like, go ahead and do that. Would you please show the love? And I will see you next time with another video on how to make you a better leader so you can run a stronger PTO.